Now that we just we have given you this little introduction to this feature, I'm going to hand it over to Megan. Megan is going to show you how this app and how this feature works in detail. Megan, I'm going to stop sharing my screen so you can show Catherine and Nicole.
Thank you, Adriana, and hi, Catherine and Nicole. I didn't introduce myself. Megan, I'm working for in the client onboarding team, and I'm doing both French and UK markets. So I'm gonna share my screen, and we're going to see the demo of the feature. So 1 second. Up. Yeah. Sorry. I need to slideshow. Yeah, so first we're going to see where to find the 3D feature on the mobile app, and then we're going to see the quick access on how to scan the room. So we actually have two different videos because we have two different experiences that you can have. Really depends on the phone that you have. So if you want to get if you have the iPhone 12, and above, you will need to, you will have the new experience, basically. And then if you have an Android phone or iPhone below 12, you will get the older experience. So I'm going to show you the two videos. And then, yes, I'm going to play the first video. So here you have the Houzz Pro app. You will click on the three lines on the top left, and then you have access to the 3D floor plans. So you will then press the plus button, and then you will see you have the room, and you will just need to move the device. And you will see that it will scan automatically. So you will need to move slowly in the room along the walls, and then it will scan everything that is in the room. So you can see it also scanned the furniture, for example, the sofa, and then it will scan the table, the chair as well. And then it's done. And once it's done, then you have access to the 2D plan. So you can choose to show the furniture if you want to. And you will have also access to the 3D plan that you can move and see around. And you can also hide or show the furniture if you want. And then once it's done, you will save the plan. So you will choose a title. And then you press done. The floor plan is saved. So if you want to change the measures after that you've done the plan, you can do it, but you will need to do it from the desktop version. Okay. And then I'm going to show you the second video. So the second video is going to demo all the experience that you will have, as I mentioned earlier, with the iPhone 11 or below. I think that's the old video, the first video. Sorry.
Yeah, that's the first video.
Yeah, I think this one is still used, Adriana. This one?
This one, yes, is still mine. You can make it smaller.
Oh, yeah.
Then, let me see.
Okay, I didn't press properly. And then, so the second video, I'm going to play it. Maybe a bit bigger. Yeah. So it's the same. You will click on the three lines, and then you will have access to the 3D floor plan. And you can see it's a bit different. So you will move your device and then you will scan the floor. So you will select the corner of the room and then you will move along the walls and you will select each corner. And then at the end, you will have the full room scan.